Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sync your profile picture on both your Instagram and Facebook account. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app. Go to the menu icon at the top right here. Scroll down and here you can see settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Scroll down. Here you can see more in account center. Tap right here. Scroll down and tap. Now tap right here. If you haven't synced your Facebook account, go right here and you will be able to sync both of your Facebook and Insta account with the same profile. So hope you guys like my video.